week has been a grim reminder of nature's power across Asia. In Hong Kong, apartment buildings were struck by fire, families shaken by sudden flames, and emergency crews racing against time. At the same time, floods hit hard in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Hat Yai. Roads submerged, homes destroyed, and communities left stranded. Entire neighborhoods were underwater, forcing evacuations and leaving people scrambling for